All right, and if you haven't seen the video covering how to interface an in-ear monitor system into a sound system, I do recommend watching that. It'll make these images a lot easier to analyze. And I'll put a link in the description to that first video. All right, so some time ago I did a video covering how to interface a sound system and a band's in-ear monitor system, how to interface those together so they both can work independently. Shortly after posting that video, I had a viewer make a comment, how do you use a TalkBack mic when the band's in-ear monitor system is completely separate from the house sound system? Well, there's a couple of ways to do it. For one of the ways is a wireless method, and generally this is about the easiest way to do it. Using a wireless receiver, and this is going to be up at the stage somewhere, the wireless receiver is going to connect into the snake into probably one of the higher channels, the higher numbered channels of the snake. Now, if the band is using a 16 channel input, it's usually very common to put a TalkBack mic on, let's say, channel number 16. So the wireless mic goes into channel 16 on the snake. Or as an option, the wireless mic can connect directly into the band's console. And again, preferably in a higher channel. And then the wireless mic itself would just sit at front of house. So all the front of house person has to do is just turn on the wireless mic. It'll be up to the band how loud that they want the TalkBack mic to be for them. So this is about the easiest way to do it, is with a wireless mic. All right, and the other option, if you do not want to use wireless, but you want to use a wired mic, this is how you can do it. All right, so at the console, let's say this is outside of the scope of the drawing here, you're going to connect your mic. I'm just going to use a 16 channel console as an example. But connect your mic into channel 16 at front of house. All right, so once you have channel 16 connected, you're going to route that channel 16 into one of the monitor sends. And for simplicity, let's say you've got 8 returns on your console. I'm just going to pick, let's say, number 8. So you're going to route channel 16 at the front of house console. You're going to route that only to monitor 8. Or also you can say return number 8. So then on the snake, you're going to connect a cable. Here you can tell by the red line, you're going to connect a cable into return number 8. And then you're going to connect that into, let's say, the input here of channel 16 on the snake splitter. Or, as an option, just like the wireless, you can connect from the front of house snake, the return, you can just connect it directly into the band's in-ear monitor rig, let's say on channel 16 here. Anytime you need to speak to the band, you just pick up your mic and you ensure that return number 8 or monitor 8 is turned up on the front of house console. So then when you speak into the mic, it's going to route directly from your front of house snake directly into the band's in-ear monitor rig, or usually a preferred method is to connect it into the snake splitter. So either the wired method or wireless method will work. Okay, and just like before on the wireless, it'll be up to the band at how loud that they want to have that channel 16 coming in on their in-ear monitor rig. Either it's connected into here or it's connected directly to their rig. All right, and I'll have both of these PDF images. I'll have links in the description area, and you can download these images if you want. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.